The sound ready.
Yeah, sure.
Camera ready. Sound. Asiye. Camera. Show bafiti nazi Engojen that performance sessions. Yeah, sisikhona season 2 baba. Episode bani yabona uVTC yakula namhlanje umuntu vaccinate. Yeah, impotozi vaccine. Namhlanje studio yashisa bafethu phethe ama-dialing ezase Sunrise, phethe u-dialing trap chicken. Yeah, phethe namanika ama-hotman kaparula file bajithi yabo. Yeah, ama-hotman kaparula namhlanje khona ashanye surprise visitation yintona bathi bajita sizompesuka lapha e-dialing e-parole board siyabona imndengane yanibulala afele namhlanje majita yashisa siphethe enye intwana eshi-supply lu-Mr. Marketanga abamaziyo bambiza ngo-Mr. Marketanga abanye bambiza ngobani konje Dikentora abanye bathi uZenkhwanke ayintwana from dali pusha vele yabo namhlanje siphethe yona izonazisa vele ukuthi who the motherfucker is eja yam sondela ntangu uzobatshela ukuthi who are you
Success, shots mina
mnandi ja serious. Okay, wena ubani tani station himself?
Igama lami ex-Predator, aka Dikentora, aka ex-Jackie Chan, aka Zenkwan, aka Amini,
Jovic, yeah, nimzwile utho ex-Predator, ulayiding Jackie Chan, nayithola la kuZenkhwankeni, nayithola la ngitreatment akanzuke ndoda, martial arts ndoda, amakhathelo ama-China ndoda, ehleke manje utholi kwenzakala, shota nje Lion King abe usimba nje, yebo, Dikentora, yacavi Dikentora lama-twins lawa abasebutswana amalali, ama-tiger be. Yeah, usibize ngawo ntwala ngisho ukuthi unzima ungozi. Yeah, njalo igama ngicela usitshela igama lakho lamampela nta.
igama lami ngempela uNhlanhla yabo igama lami ngempela uNhlanhla wakamtambo. Yeah,
Sure nimzwile uNhlanhla Mtambo. Yeah, ukuthi ushanga isikwebo sentambo. Yeah. Okay, njamu usha music wenjani ntwana? What type of music uyenzayo?
Basically the type of music that I make is trap music, but then I'm more specific to every genre, as long as it blends with my emotions, because mostly my music blends with my emotions. So yeah, it's any genre.
Sure, nyakuzwa ngoba ngikhona amanye ama-track epiano vele engazwile abo DJ badlala bathi asha uDikentora mathi namamela vele netheka Dikentora ngiyabona ntwana liphusha nepiano DJ ndo.
I'm not a DJ, but then I'm still learning though. I'm not a DJ, but I'm still learning, although yeah, I'm getting there.
Alright njamu studio nje usivulele nje na-2 ingoma nje yamabo sicela nje usitshele ukuthi uzosiqala ngayiphi.
Okay, the first song I'm gonna perform is called Gala. This song, I think I made it. It is sponsored by Indanaga Code Show.
Alright, yeah, now uzodala umadala. Ashe!
Kala loco carega, cavalinho, estava no chefe, chino contra casa trate neke, fuzune meta musu pendo fisi, jo shot to tell on the tuchi, asabani shia waga LT, abacha passing to the kiri, musu karan zo pasi deni. Amane banke teleng ha, sware ba ha, focus at telling the choka po magan mala, so better keep it follow me presi mumba, eko bisara buchala si bona muo, afira mina watu to so, nega sa guru makani malono. Yeah, we leaving me cause of your different. I've been putting work and it's hard and it's you can still deal with the same thing. And it's ranking, but you better watch when it plays me. I can body back all these niggas to the cover. Bring your favorite rapper, watching me suffer my head down. Cause that nigga be falling hard. I keep my shit tight like a bodyguard. I got bottles every time I'm with the squad. You know my friends who ain't no buzz to the guap, yeah, I'm fast. You said you good, let's put him on the test. When try to beat me, you can never test. Even if you can take a missing kiss. All of my flows, probably making this. I keep it lovely like a playing kiss. All of my dollar, no quick legal. You mama ain't your, let's have a shit. She no contact as I'm chatting the kid. For feeling that I'm most suspended with me. This is in your shots, so tell for the Tucci. Inside my she never got LT. I'm a chef, I'm crazy, they came in. Musu Kalan, so pass it, they me. I'm never telling how. It's not the bank, I'm focus at telling the travel. Come on, I'm gonna so fail keep it for the fail. You first give them. Mesmo pensar com jealousy, bona mumo. A finger me never get to musobo. Niggas a puro mo kevin ganono. I'm only putting the chicas a sobo. Yeah. Smart. Hey. Look at the guy. Kala mandala logo pelega, amarillo, escapulishi, shield of Santasini Kim, Santasini Kim, Santasini Kim, Santasini Kim.
Woo! Yashisa pinda ngenye baba. Sisemo yenu baba. Sifuna ukuzibona simanzi baba.
Ayibambe. Yeah, ho. Yeah.
Uthi bambe kancane.
The next one is called Inkabi. By the way, shout out to my bro KC. He's been with me ever since we started this music production. Shout out to KC White Panda. So yeah, Inkabi. Let's play.
Hit my motherfucking man.
Yeah. Let the motherfucking double cup kill me. I don't fucking care. He's so bitter juice, bro. I'm eating that. Talking all that shit. I might pop up pudding, drop it there. I got too much love for the blood, bitch. You can't compare. Yeah, I might pop up with it for the walk. This shit walk, give it sa. Yeah, I need dough, I need guap. Yeah, on the low. Got me on my dad. Pull up. Yeah. Violent, yeah.
Smoking too much streets for me in the
Private jet, yeah.
These niggas run around my way
Like a fucking SUV.
I owe it to my
Mini-me.
Come on, he's a bitch.
But she looks like that. Let the motherfucking double cup kill me. I don't fucking care. He's so Beetlejuice, bro. I don't even dare. Talking other shit. I might pop up with him, copy that. I got too much love for the blood, bitch. You can't compare. Yeah, I might pop up with it. It's your walk, yeah, sa. Yeah, I need dough, I need guap. Yeah, on the low. Alright. Woo! Niggas finna fuck with me from time to time. Call me on some bitches, I need money on the line. Be careful who you mess up, we gon' break up your spine. Yeah, bitch, I'm Superman. You can tell by the way I fight Superman. Is it a plane? Is it a jet? Oh no, it's X. All I for that true attention, all I post them in the net. Let the motherfucking double cup kill me, I don't fucking care. He's so Beetlejuice, bro. I don't need him dead. Talking all that shit, I might pop up. You know what? I got too much love. You know what? You know what? Yeah, I might pop up with a cup. It's your walk, yeah, sa. Yeah, I need dough, I need guap. Yeah, on the low. Yeah, I might pop up with a cup. It's your walk, yeah, sa. Yeah, I need dough, I need guap. Yeah, on the low. Yeah, little bitch.
Woo! Ayashisa. Endoda yo. Hey. Umlilo ngakandoda utholakala phi ndoda?
Nangibakhubane lethu bakhubane.
Lo mlilo lo uthi ufihle kuphi abantu abafuna bathole kuphi ndoda lo mlilo lo abatshela. Yo. Awubone ndoda nama-drobhetha yawa ndoda kuyashisa bafethu. Yashisa studio namhlanje. Yo! Angitshele ndoda.
My music is available on SoundCloud, Inkabi, I think get Ingabi, it's currently available on SoundCloud. And Igdala is available on SoundCloud. It's already out. You can find it on SoundCloud. And you can search me. My SoundCloud account is Expeditor. My SoundCloud account is Expeditor Igdala. You can get it on SoundCloud, and Ngabi is on SoundCloud. Don't forget to like, share, or repost.
Sure.
Just comment, like, share, and repost. Yeah.
Sure, ngiyayama. Usifuna usitshele ukuthi into le music uqale nini kanjani? What inspired you ukuthi uqale music njani? Usitshele nje. Startup sakho sele career yakho la. Yashise studio wafit. Hey.
Mangisaqala my music career, I used to listen to Lil Wayne. Lil Wayne is the actual guy who inspired me to see started that, music stuff, and I started making music at the age of, I think I was 12. At the age of 12, I started making music, and I went to a studio which is called Finest Minds and started recording my first track, which was Public Figures on My History. So it's just the way it is, man. Ever since, it's been nice.
Sure wafethu yantanga manje sicela usitshele ukuthi kule music journey yakho usipane nabo bani ubani abantu osipane nabo since uphusha music nabo bani abantu labo usipane nabo abaye bagaya ama inspiration ama motivation awona ukuthi babonisa indlela zokuthi ngiyathola le sitshele nje nje leyo.
First of all, to be honest, man, direction way my music career is going somewhere is when I'm trying to Shatta. When I met Shatta, he put me in a school and then we opened up a studio. I told him that, man, I want to be an artist. So from there on, I made Utuku. Tukud is the one who just, taught me how to make music and all of that stuff,
Shout out Korea, shout out
to Tukud, by the way. And Tukud just made me meet up with LT, I made up with Triller, then from there on we started making music, And then I also made with KC, we made up at school, we started making music together, and that's when we took it from there, we ended up being nice. Yeah. All in all, yeah, it is great. It's really great making music with them.
Khe maniga singasamusha isikhathi nje. Manje ushayela la wayithu, ushayela ithu manje nje, ushayela amafayithu.
So okay, this one I just dropped it on SoundCloud. It's available on SoundCloud. It's called My Source featuring Cloud Music Entertainment. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm pumping on mine, just volume, I pump it. Okay, yeah. I can never ever lose my sauce. Got a little mommy gang shit does. I'm a fucking boss just like Rick Ross. I can never ever lose my sauce. Little mommy gang shit does. I'm a fucking boss just like Rick Ross. Baby God, please don't get me cross. I can never ever lose my sauce. Yeah. Got a little mommy gang shit does. I'm a fucking boss just like Rick Ross. Baby God, please don't get me crossed. Hold up, wait, please. Pussy niggas try to snatch my steez. Hold up, wait, please. Baby God, yeah, hold up, don't cheese. And I'm telling the world ever since I've been a enemy. Kumanje get this steely on the color, not my enemy. I don't need no niggas who can try to jump my energy. I'ma live long, bitch, straight to eternity. But to X, I to wins, I got cool. Hey, my lip, you know. There's a boring, my list, in school. Hey,
on the drink, you know. I can never ever lose my sauce. Got a little mommy gang, she a does. I'm a fucking boss, just like Rick Ross. Let me go, please don't get me lost. I can never ever lose my sauce. Little mommy gang, she a does. I'm a fucking boss, just like Rick Ross. Let me go, please don't get me lost. I can never ever lose my sauce. Got a little mommy gang, she a does. I'm a fucking boss, just like Rick Ross. Let me go, please don't get me crossed. Yeah, I can never ever lose my sauce. Yeah, I'm a fucking boss, just like Rick Ross. Hey, hey, let's go. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh, let's go. Hey, hey, oh, ooh. Yeah, man, come on. Okay, the next one, I featured my brother KC, White Panda. It's called Pikachu Freestyle. This one is for SoundCloud.
Pikachu.
Okay, this one we're about to go hard in the school, man. I want everybody to vibe to this one. This one is a motherfucking banger for decades, you know. This is a freestyle, you know. Let's go. Pump it.
Let's go. Pikachu, ballin' in the fucking stool. I said, I'm fucking ready for an interview. This shit, I'ma get it too. I see pussy niggas tryna grab me, but they stop on the loop. I'm straight from Maricana, I came for the loop. All they tryna rip me, they don't know my heart is bulletproof. If you dare tryna catch me, nigga, you gon' get it. Pussy just give me tops, he said my dick tastes like me. Yeah, but I walk home sick, I be sipping the lean till my house big. Tryna be better than the nigga, I be sipping out real hoes. All the back for the fitting toes. Show you up, you can call the pose. They say my yellow, that's that Pikachu. Pikachu, ballin' in the fucking stool. Super suit, I just looking like I'm fucking ready for an interview. This shit, I'ma get it too. Take the calls, please, got me, material. Keep up with the violence. In my head, this a Pikachu. Peekaboo, ballin' in the fucking stool, rapping in a super suit. Looking like I'm fucking ready for an interview. This shit, I'ma get it too. Chop off her like you do. Yeah, man. It's just the way it is.
Yo! She's a Pikachu. Ay, ungozi, put. Me take a boot, me take it a queen, Kiroli. Me take it a queen, Kiroli. Very
For that shit, man. Eggs, you know.
Yeah. Chicken to our feet. Explain each other over feet. And then as to this case, I'm social media angels walking down, which is what I got want. I want to have a shy Uba, a muffin wapo, a chola, Baglandera, we pinch.
Okay, so my Instagram is Predator Romeo _1431. Instagram Predator Romeo _1431. On Facebook, I have a Facebook page. It's Predator SA. Facebook page is Predator SA, and on Twitter, my Twitter account is Predator Romeo Predator. I don't know if you get me. So on Instagram, it's Predator Romeo _1431. On Facebook, my Facebook page is Predator SA, and on Twitter is Romeo Predator. That's Romeo Predator. I hope you get it, guys.
Sure, bafethu nimzwile uRomeo Predator ex-predator uDeacon Dora ngimzwile bafethu ayishindele indoda le bafethu manje awusashiyanga namanambafoni ubhibiye bazokusendela into zawo lezaleti intanyana phili bafethu anyazi bafethu ntanga manje ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi since nje usipana abobanye ofisa ukusipana nawo international, national, ngayithola provincial, township khali ngayithola right locational ngayithola right awubani mfisa nje usipana nawo ngicela right.
Oh, basically, internationally, I can say it's but then umuntu bengifisa ukusipana naye internationally is the baby. The baby, I wanted to work with the baby Jesus, you know. Shout out to the baby Jesus and
the baby Jesus.
And SA basically I can say it's Lucas Raps, you know. Lucas Raps, Lucas Raps is watching this, man, and I hope shout out to him.
Nigga, mara ungasabi feature cabanga ukuthi izokuthatha spotlight. Hayi, angeke
those are the people I like to work with internationally and you know in SA. Provincially, I don't know, but then all in all, me and K1's Giving, shout out to K1's Giving, we have a project. We have a project that we
Kaslam.
Yeah, we have a project that we're working on, but then I'm not gonna share some information or further details about it.
Sisevala manje machimbuzi antwana shayela la machu yaqina yokuvalelisa bye bafethu ushayela maphi ntwana ushayela maphi.
Okay, the first one Zobaida in Kulova, which is not out yet. I just figured Uguti Vela should come up with a surprise and just perform Ikolova because this track, the reason for me to do it is that I got inspired by Kasi Vele, Mapanzula, Gangsters OG and shit like that. Shout out to my OGs, by the way. Shout out to my home OGs. I always got respect for them. Abo shout out to Parola, abo Examine, abo Lenyora, you know, abo Stuxwiki, abo, you know, just because very like Kasi, we go to an era where kona batabase Kasi mga bafuna full of opportunities. Na ma-celebrate Kasi, but then nothing is happening. Makangikura. So this one is Kulova. I hope you enjoyed. I pop it.
Just step me, I got shooters. Get into that pussy, bitch, I dive in with a scuba. Soon as I'm talking to the money, I maneuver like this is not on me, bitch, I was born with some maneuvers. Disrespect me, I got shooters. Get into the pussy, bitch, I dive in with a scuba. Soon as I'm not talking to the money, I maneuver like this is not on me, bitch, I was born with some maneuvers. Trapped in my conscience, I can breathe. Dropping off the base, I can't untop my daddy deeds. Get off my way before you bleed. I'm the only bad nigga, so they follow me. Super the Superman himself. Only time I get back to the list is when it's 12. I just need a thinking, get up better bells. Fuck my demons pulling out, I was driven to hell. Disrespect me, I got shooters. Deep into the pussy, bitch, I dive in with a scuba. Soon as I'm done talking to the money, I maneuver like this is why the weed, bitch, I was born with some maneuvers. Disrespect me, I got shooters. Deep into the pussy, bitch, I dive in with a scuba. Soon as I'm done talking to the money, I maneuver like this is why the weed, bitch, I was born with some maneuvers.
So yeah.
Ubani ukenzela lesikhuphule esilona. Hey, ubani ukenzela lento asicocela.
Fosivana tana, ungasikabojuluka manje.
So the beat production yimi.
Oh,
I'm the
X.
producer behind everything. Le number I was playing the songs I was playing. I'm the producer. I produce my own beats. I produced, I produce for people. I produce for everything. I work with different people, man. That's me. That's my work, Yeah.
Ya bafethu mama ngabe ngiyasithanda isigubhu sakantwana fili ya nani ngitshelile ngisho ama social media handles wakho ya nesami isigubhu ntwana nayo lesi iphilile i-album leli ngidropile vele ngiphusha produce uye vele ama track abaya bafethu ntwana multi talented ba chance ya
X.
ya ntwana sivale ngiyogcina ya vele boom studio once
Ayaw Engojen. Find out. Maybe on the show.
This one, yogcina. Hey, I hope you guys know it. It's called Amaketang. It's called Amaketang. The music video is out. It's out on YouTube. You can find Amaketang music video on YouTube. And yeah, man, he's lean. Mangalazi. If you don't get it, forget about it. But
not from East Rand, not from
East Rand K1. I represent. Here am I. I'm coming for them. Coming for the world. And so represent K1 yonke. So this one is for you. This one is for K1. I'm a Ketang. I pump it.
K1 ante.
One vast and amazing, interwoven, interacting, multivariate, multinational dominion of dollars. Petrodollars, electrodollars, multi-dollars, rank marks, range,
Lapha phuma khona inkunzi manje ngileze broma nazo azuthatha ushit Delela wena uzozakhala impili Bheka kahle mina ngiphumela kushina amabhesi ngihlafuna kodwa ngiyimix Sikusho wakho ngathi ngiyi-cheese Ngiyashisa mina 400 degrees Ngisikame solo kuphuma maketa Ngabize wonke kazi ukuthi senzani Ntwana ngile nyoka wena ukuyongeta Mina nezami lesijima maskiphi memes Nithi besidida amahera Wena lalela Amsamane basemthengi kwenyasi Afuna ukuthatha amampelas Solo kuphuma maketa Let's go Dame solo kuphuma maketa Dame solo kuphuma maketa Dame solo kuphuma maketa Kuphuma maketa Uyababona bangithathela phansi ngoba ngaphuki ndazi ngaliposi ungalinge uthathe amachance ufuna ukuyifuza ngoba ngingoni batsabotsheli I'm shitting the honey fanisa linyosi yami ibuhlungu ngaze ngiyenza elizulu ngicwela amaketa ngiyaphuma ngekho zongela ngiyakusuza kuphela ngisena nembeza yami ibuhlungu ngicwela amaketa mina ngcwele Akekho zomina Phela uza qaphela Unosami slow Intame misolo kubuhlungu maketa Intame misolo kubuhlungu maketa Intame misolo kubuhlungu maketa Maketa Intame misolo kubuhlungu maketa Yeah, sakapela
interacting, multivariate,
I'm in the solo room, I'm a Shout out to K1, shout out to Tupac.
multi-dollars, rank marks, range,
Rubons! Asazi ukuthi uthini mara the shit is provocative dog. It makes you go through the edge nigga. Bafethu phelile iseshini yanamhlanje siyabonga ama-viewers wethu bafethu sizobona simbone futhi next week. Thank you Predator for ilayiling uzwakala complete studio uzosenzela ubumnandi. Yes yashisa bafethu yashisa le ntwana hayi ngithezi la sesigangeni lenza kancane la hayi bafethu la yashisa bafethu bafethu asiqedile namhlanje bafethu thola Chola ile, chola. Zipeta sasa next week. Yeah, king, wow. Serious driver. Sis, kwa. Show of it.
Yeah, for